Hello everyone. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center 2024. So, let's dive into it. First, make sure that the Google Play Games app is installed on your mobile device. If not, you can download and install it through the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store app on your device and confirm your account. If you want to switch the account, tap on the drop-down arrow and choose the account. Next, go to the home screen and open the Google Play Games app. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose the Settings option. Next, choose your account from the drop-down menu. Next, you can see this option, Automatically Sign into Supported Games option. Keep it toggle on like me. And there you have it. This is how you can easily transfer Google Play Games data to the Game Center. Thanks for watching.